Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here we share simple and effective trading strategies to help you trade smarter. In today's video, I am going to show you a powerful trading strategy for pocket options that works great even if you are beginner. I will explain in step by step in the easiest way possible so you can apply it in your own trading. Make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you find it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get started. This is my screen. As you can see, I have opened the chart, and in this chart I have added two indicators. As you can see, I'm going to tell you its setting. The first one which you have to add is moving average, and the second one you have to add is MACD. Now I'm removing my indicators and I will add it from the beginning so that you can add it very clearly. First, let's remove it. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is my screen which you can see, and first of all you have to make some changes. You have to add two indicators. I will tell you step by step. First of all, you have to click this three dot. After clicking here, you will get something like this. Now click this. After clicking this, we will get something like this. We have to make changes to our candle. You have to add this Heikin Ashi. This candle you have to add, and then again go to the time frame. Here it is. Click it. You will get something like this. Now this is the time frame, and you have to keep the time frame to 5 seconds. This I have selected, as you can see. After selecting this, click on any other side. Now it's gone and it is saved. So this is a chart Heikin Ashi candle and 5-second time frame. So next thing you have to do is you have to click this again, and then you have to add indicators. Now for selecting indicators, this icon, as you can see, the list of indicators has appeared here. First of all, you have to add MACD. So after scrolling this, you can see this is our MACD. Now we will click this once, the MACD. Now it is added. You can see we have one indicator added here, and that is our indicator MACD. Now we are done adding MACD. Now next indicators we have to add is moving average. Just below there you can see the moving average is here. Now we will click this once, and now you can see the two indicators have been added. One is MACD and the other one is moving average. So now you have to click here so that you can make some changes in our indicator. Now go to MACD setting. This is the button for setting, and the settings which we have to keep is that fast moving period will be 14 period and slow period to 28, and signal period will be 8. So these are the changes you have to make, and go again to this style section. Now here you have to make changes to this pixel, and this. It's written 1 pixel here. You have to make it bit broader so that it will appear nicely. To make changes here as 3 pixel, you have to click this 3 pixel. Then go back and make changes to this as 3 pixel. Now we are done. Now you have to click this save button, and it will be saved. Again you have to make changes to moving average. After clicking here, we will change the period to 14. This we have to make 14, and again go to the style. Again go to the style, and we will change the pixel again to 3 pixel so that it will be a bit broader and it will look clearly. Now click on save, and now we are done. So our indicators has been added, and here you have to make changes. For trading you have to select 30 seconds. By clicking here you can do that. As you can see, it's already given here in our option, so we will click that 30, and the 30-second time period of our trading will be set as default. Now go back. So now I'm going to tell you where to take trade and when to take trade. And so as you can see on my screen, whenever we see the price is breaking below or breaking above our moving average line, for example here, we can take trade immediately. And at the same time we have to look below. And then whenever our green line crosses above or below our green line, we will take the trade. So these two criteria should be fulfilled when we take trade. For example, here you can see this one, the price is breaking above the moving average, and at the same time here we can see the crossover is happening. So immediately here we would have taken our trade. We would have taken our trade, and for taking trade we would have clicked this one, and after 30 seconds our trade would be closed by making a good profit. So this is the simple step, guys. And if you want more detailed video on this, you can comment and I will make another video where we will discuss in more detailed way, from adding money to withdrawing money. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my trading strategies which I give here. Thanks for watching.